DJM TV.
My Ogbongelicious person there, correct Sabinus person. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on when this video take reach your hand. I welcome you to another edition of DJM TV Entertainment G's. That was like so they give you all the better story that will not happen on top entertainment matters for inside Nigeria and all around the world. This is the first time when you see any of our videos. May you not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You fit still follow us on Facebook, for Twitter, for Instagram, and even for TikTok. You know how the matter they be. More we just carry the matter like this, sharp because my body they hot. Because I want to give you better gist there. We share them for the entertainment segment. So we don't come back. The Ogbongelicious people where they call Forbes, you know Forbes. And some of them would hear of and I say this person is the richest man for the world. This person is the richest man for Africa. The people where they always they do this analysis, always they collate this data, they tell us who rich pass and who not rich pass, who get money, not the matter they be. That they call them Forbes. They don't come out with it, they call the top 100 icons for inside Africa. On top this Ogbongelicious top 100 icons for inside Africa list where they bring, some of them come for inside our own Obodo Naija. Now they don't limit time to say whether you don't invent car, or now you invent umbrella, or now you invent a generator when they use fuel, when they use water. No believe that one. Anything wey like say you they do, like say they make human life and human existence they easy. Whether you be comedian or whether you be actor, you be musician, you be tailor, anything where you bring they make human life easy, they give them the award. Now for inside Nigeria, they give about 11 people this award. They start with Dr. Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala, who be the Director General of the World Trade Organization. You know how the matter they be. They also give them Omotola Jalade Ekende, aka Almost Sexy. You know that woman I can see her for here that she did show for your screen right now. And they flash people their faces for your screen as the matter they be. They also give Whiskey though. Also they also give Davido. This is the first time they give Davido this award. They don't give Davido this award before. You know the matter. They also give Chimamanda Adichie, that our Ogbongelicious sister where they always they write novel. When they give her the award, they say, say Chimamanda Adichie na one very Ogbongelicious person. Like say she they fight for the right of females for Nigeria, for Africa, and for all over the world. They also give one guy will be fashion designer, Swanky Jerry. Swanky Jerry na one Ogbonge fashion designer where they always design clothes for our top artists them. They also give Genevieve Naji, they give Mr. Easy the award, they give Olugbenga Agbola the award, and on top, the one who comes with me, where they can give Funke Akindele award. You see the matter now. So nobody say who invent this one. What do they give Funke Akindele? They say I want to Ogbongelicious comedian. We be like say and movies they make people they laugh, they make like they sweet people, they make people they happy despite say things not today okay. Now this Forbes awards when they don't give them, not only them they give. I just call the people for Nigeria where they give the award. They also give other people with notable figures for Africa the award. People like Barack Obama. And somebody will say about now former US president why they give her, oh no, don't worry. Barack Obama, his family lineage there for Kenya, in a part Kenya, in a part America. They also give one of my guy where they call Trevor Noah. See Trevor Noah They give Trevor Noah, they give Lupita Young. That's a lady way out for Black Panther. You know the woman that they give her the award too. They also give a Desmond Tutu. As I always do. When I tell you some small thing about why Funke Akindele now one person be like say he don't sweet me for Belewe. Now I'm not remember that movie. I need to know. You did dance? Because if you watch I need to know, because you not be small picking again. You know I need to know now. that United Nations Development Fund program, you know, and now she be that girl for the movie where they always say ask question, and then some of them know for this no, in case you don't know, I need to know based on say age matter. I don't know. I never to tell you like say you can't you go just watch Jennifer's Diary. You know that Jenny baby, oh Jenny baby, oh Jennifer. You know what Jennifer's Diary? I be now one movie she got on to series. So you would say and say she did do well for herself. She and her husband, JJ Skills, and they do well for themselves. As in for the movie industry, they want people like they come up. Yes, they know they without controversy. Remember that first time I say for 2020, for on top the lockdown, when the lockdown matter first start, when strong for that May, they could go through one party for her husband's birthday. The governor of Lagos, they got tried there, they got even sentenced there to 14 days community service with fine. Based on say they say why they go gather people for inside lockdown time when there's everybody stay house. You know, she call later come and do one video to tell us to say not be say she really go gather people from their house. So see all this body for the party, they be their house before they announce the lockdown. You understand? They did the estate. So they go look and say, okay, may not like say they call they go out. Maybe you come and stay. May they enjoy the lockdown together. That's why they throw the party. But despite that, despite the small setback which she get for inside 2020, 2021 don't come. She released one ogbonge movie they call Omogeto, and that movie grows over 630 million naira. You see, I say Funke Akindele they do well for herself. She be mother, she don't give birth to children, and she did do well. Moving on, something don't happen for inside the entertainment industry. One fine baby, Toyin Lawani, you know that baby, you see this sister here, this one. Remember her now. For that is how we always say we cut on that. I say that she hot pass for the Prophetess movie premiere. She don't lose her dad for inside the course of the months of April. Her dad don't go join, you know, don't go the other side, go join us people for them. Well, I say they negotiate the business of Nigeria, you know the matter they be. Now many people don't come and say don't they condole with her, you know, actors, actresses, don't they send her condolence messages, so make she no cry, make she take heart, say everything go dey okay, you know the matter. Now Toyin Lawani, she can't talk, say papa na one of the most prayerful man where she don't ever meet. You get the matter as they be. Say papa, say this life, for our own words, she say this life too short, oh. Say papa na one of the most prayerful men that we she don't ever meet. Toyin Lawani na 30-year-old stylist from Nigeria, and she don't come out based on say she like do some kind of controversial thing for the Prophetess movie premiere. And that thing coming many people come as like all they talk. But on top say, you know, say when matter don't be like as a papa happy, they don't kick iron buckets, don't move go to that side. People don't they throw condolence messages they give her, say, no cry. You know, she can't come out like say, Olarewaju Lawani will be her father. Now the most prayerful man when she don't ever see for her life. On top of her Instagram post, she can put burning candle to take say her papa, in fact, now the most prayerful man which she know, and in fact, she not go ever forget her father in a very, very long time. Now, there's a controversy there around her based on say that what's it they call her? The Prophetess movie premiere where they go. This picture, this picture where they your screen right now where you they see. Now really cause the controversies. Well, she don't share many things, share many pictures, and she say, well, tomorrow not really they promise, but she they assured say, he said they keep this every day for my mind, say tomorrow not they assured, say because sometimes the world don't they know say a lot of people they struggle, but would they keep her private? I would like show our strong side to inspire people. So you will be shocked to know that some people are what some people are going through. They smile and they laugh at you daily. She can't continue for this very long Instagram post. Oh, say life is too short. Say leave it here. Yesterday you will be young and strong. The way time flies, it will be tomorrow already, and you'll be old and weak. Live your life to the fullest. Live it for you, not for people. Because when you go, they won't go with you. Everyone has a journey they need to embark on, and alone. Only him who gives can take any time. You can't question God. Share moments with your loved ones and show them you care. Love them because tomorrow is not promised. Only today we know. She said, judge less, be prayerful, and be kind to people. On the last day, your kindness won't fail you. He just took his last breath in front of me, just like that. R.I.P. Dad, the most prayerful man I have ever known. Everyone, stay protected. Now, in case you don't know, Toyin Lawani, na mother of 2. She get 2 children, and the controversy with around her because of that Rancy, this picture, that Rancy non-dress which she wear for the Prophetess movie premiere. And also based on say she do and say to just say call people attention and that kind of thing. But the thing not really smart. So people they come back cycle, they say, hey, you know the way Nigerians have been, they always react. So you just not be this way you do so. Now this one can put to you, all those kind of matter. But you know, so times like this, it will say we will show love. So our deepest condolence to Toyin Lawani. We pray, may God give you the strength and the fortitude to take bear the loss. Now moving on. When I know say one thing that they always do for Nigeria, be like say, I never feel still understand now these issues of award. You know, they'll give one person award, like the one for this award, they get one part where they know and then they like where they first me where. When you go America, like when they do all these Grammys award, you see them. They say, okay, let's welcome the best, blah blah blah. For you know, one person you come and say, only more. If there are too many, well, maybe because they call maybe movie director or movie crew, all of them will come and say, maybe they reach like 5. And they go, they will get decorum, they go, what kind of small, you know, they call, I want to thank my family, I want to thank God for this award, chairs, and go. But Nigeria, all the different. As they just say, let us welcome AB for the best actor in a movie. Or everybody for a village go follow and come and say, all of them. Go run come and say, hey, they go the shout for stay. Waiting. But anyways, not that one I want to talk today. Well, you get one of our sister. We don't get plenty fake award wahala. You don't know you never know the person. See her. Look at. She don't get plenty fake award wahala. Now we'll start with when she post say, oh, the Nigerian Christian Pilgrim Commission, NCPC, don't make her their ambassador. She call me this dress. Look up. Then Nigeria say, congratulations. That's why people say, wait. Nigerian Christian Pilgrim Commission give you award. You wear this kind of cloth go. We don't understand what is the sub. Since when? We don't say Christianity and one religion that say talk about decent dressing. How you go dress like this, go collect ambassador title or whatever what they give her. He never to tell. And the Oga Pata of the Nigerian Christian Pilgrim Commission come back and say, we no give Tonto Dike anything. You don't know the person they have. She said, what they call her King Tonto Dike, one they call her Mrs. Tonto Dike. And you know, so she don't separate from her husband, Olankule Churchill, and that guy don't go ahead to go marry another person. But not that one matter, I won't talk to them. Now, she there with her son, and this fake award wahala, it don't come up again. We did our own, no, now she posts again, no, say United Nations don't give her awards. Say the award they give her the United Nations Noble International Award for the United Nations Rescue Services. And she say they give her the award on the 7th of March. We did our own, no, we no ask her. We see pictures everywhere. She will flaunt number plates, customized number plate where they give her, the award plate where they give her, you see her for you. Everything, no, we do, we know, but everybody, congratulations is in order, and normal thing that when you see better to you go happy, so that this will still reach your side. So people they say, una sure say this thing, nari, una sure say nari, una sure say, you know that kind of thing, based on say, it don't feel happen before na hand. Before we know the thing shock us, so that's what like say, the Oga Director for General for United Nations Information Center for Nigeria, where they call Roland Kayanga, he called come as I call to say they not give Tonto Dike any award. United Nations don't even know whether anything like award that she collect. They're not they involved for that award where they give. So that award they give her na illegal award. She for it very well. They say this now waiting. I want follow up with the authority in Nigeria. Say because they get many organizations where go just they put United Nations for everything. They use that they scam people. United Nations Ambassador for Peace. United Nations Ambassador for this one. United Nations Ambassador for that one. They don't have to scam many people. Now King Tonto Dike don't become one of their latest victims for inside this United Nations, fake United Nations awards where they give. So the guy, Oga Roland Koto say, they won't look into the matter very well for inside Nigeria. Say because people go just wake up in the morning, they go just go artists, you know what they say, frame. They go just go there. go meet they do computer service, they go just type one thing, put one person name, they say the person get money, they call go the person and say, Oga, we can't give you award. So that the Oga will give them money. Say they won't face and squad enough for inside Nigeria, say because the thing, it don't they won't cause embarrassment to the United Nations. Now, when the Oga for the Information Center for Nigeria, they talk on this United Nations issue, when the guy they talk, he talk say, Mary, exactly what he talk. He said this award they give, you don't get anything to do with United Nations. So he said plenty civil society organizations they around the world will get their own way to they participate for United Nations meeting of the Economic Social Council. But he don't mean say they be members of the United Nations. He said if you participate, I will go give them what they call consultative status, meaning say they get opportunity to participate. And when he said we're not they sure if them, the United Nations Rescue Service, get any consultative status with the Economic Social Council, will be ECOSOC. But even if they get, it not make them the United Nations. So the award they give now fake and it they illegal. Now this now waiting Oga Roland talk. And he also talk say we get protocols what would they follow before would they give awards and honor. And say this one when they give Tonto Dike, so no be at all. When the kasala wey don't burst like this one inside the matter like this, 2 seconds everywhere don't burst. The Oga wey call give Oga Tonto Dike, mo call her Oga Tonto Dike o, abi because some they call her King Tonto Dike. The Oga wey go give her the award, don't come as like talk some kind few things and just say, he say our goal now to work to eradicate poverty for Nigeria. And for us, government no go fit do everything alone. That's why we got to decide. So we go come in to cause what we go fit do for the citizen. And we get initiative what they call the United Nations Noble Ambassador Award. And when they give this award to only people who don't identify themselves to use their knowledge, time, and resources to fit serve humanity, even though say we never even know them before. So now because of this one, that means they decide to give King Tonto Dike this award. Director for Information Center for United Nations, the original one, don't come as I got to say, organization where they attach to United Nations, yes, they did. Say, but they don't get right to give award. This other one they got to say, they give that they call United Nations International Noble Award. We don't know who will believe. But for the way the matter be, so now who get something, and they believe anything when they talk, not true. Now, many Nigerians all react to this call. You know, so when she first posted there, whenever they say, congratulations. One guy called post, and now so they take scam me, uncle. Now so they take scam my way, be like say, they tell us, Oga go collect award. The award they won't give Oga, the award don't make sense. They don't know where for come. So they collect Oga money, go. Now they don't do Tonto Dike the same thing. Organization come as I got to say, it will be part of the National Economic and Social Council of United Nations. And the United Nations say, yes, we will not do this show of them. But even at that will not give them the right to give anybody United Nations award. Me and you know what it don't transpire. Money don't pass somewhere. The award don't come aside. Anyway, Tonto Dike will say, you take careful because this one at the second time in less than 5 weeks, maybe like say, you dey get 2 fake award wahala. It may not be like say when they say examples of fake awards. Now your name could be the example for inside Nigeria people. But not be me talk about somebody that's make advice you, so I don't advise you. I beg. They won't give you award, they give you cross check where. If possible, keep them secret for like 6 months. So they should send a read before you answer give us. Because not have to the issue of fake awards. Well, I am going to come to the end of DJM TV Entertainment Gist. Don't you forget to like and to share this video. If you never subscribe, you dey stand on the very long time. I know what time. I want you say today follow up. You understand? Subscribe, like, and share this video. Follow us on all our social media platforms: Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and even Facebook. Check out our website www.djmtv.news. And also, you visit place your advert with us. And you dey rest assured, so when you place your advert with us, your market, you go reach camping ground. Because a camping ground, so they want to tell you, na kilometer, they buy full express road for camping ground. Well, until we come your way again to another edition of DJM TV Entertainment Gist. Make you not forget, say, I say, my your girl and sister, love your favor.
DJM TV. DJ ATV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like us.
Welcome to DJ TV.
DJ ATV. DJ ATV. DJ ATV. DJ ATV.
Some of the delegates and ask them questions.
DJ ATV. DJ ATV. DJ ATV. DJ ATV.